Hi guys, so today we are going to see how to create partition on Mac OS Catalina, and you can see the storage space that's about 500 gigs. Planning to resize that into 10 gigs of storage from the available storage that I have. So for that, um, uh, I'll go to disk utility. To go into that, you could do command and spacebar, and then type disk utility, and you should open this app. And you could also search from here, and you could also go in the launchpad and search for disk utility. That would open this app, and then you click on partition. You click on partition again. So here, as you can see, the ones which is not highlighted, that is showing like the available free space. To get some space for another partition, we select the plus sign, um, and then just provide the partition name. So it would be my local drive, and I select the format as AFS and select around. So I need 20 GB, so I would select 20 GB from here, and I already have my name here, and I click on apply. I click enter, so that space would be highlighted, and we can see after the partition it would show up like this, and then I click on apply. It would ask again that it would resize the original partition and rename that to local drive. And just to just in heads up, before moving forward, please do check your battery, because this can take some time, and also do check before resizing it if you have some space, or if you want to take the backup of your drive um, before creating partition. And then when you are ready, you click on partition, and this so during this time you won't be able to use your machine, and that can take few minutes uh, based on the partition size. So please be aware, and then um, click on partition. So this you get a warning sign, and then you click continue. And then you would see a screen like this, which would say the partition has been created, and just click done. And then you could see when the new partition is created of size 20 gig. And then if you want, you could also see that in Finder. You can see the local drive is here as well. And you can also see the size here. Um, uh, and it is ready to use. That's it from my side. Thanks, guys. Bye. If you liked the video, please do hit the like button. And if you want future videos like this, or if you have any questions regarding the videos, please do mention that in the comments. And please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks.